Antarctica is the only continent on Earth where no one lives, and yet it never feels truly empty. Beneath kilometers of ancient ice, under absolute silence and permanent darkness, something has been waiting, preserved, hidden, and touched from millions of years. Scientists went. They're searching for answers about our planet's past, but in many cases, what they found only deepened the mystery. What you are about to hear is not fiction. These are real discoveries, documented and studied, yet so unsettling that even experts admit they don't fully understand them as this story unfolds. You may notice something disturbing. Each discovery feels less like science and more like a warning. Deep under the Antarctic ice, researchers discovered something that should not exist. A massive body of liquid water trapped beneath nearly 4 kilometers of solid ice. It is known as Lake Vostok. This lake has been completely isolated from the outside world for more than 15 million years. No sunlight, no air exchange, no contact with the surface. For a long time, scientists believed such an environment could not sustain anything living. And yet, evidence suggested otherwise. As drilling operations approached the lake, projects were delayed, paused, and reconsidered, not because of technical failure, but because of fear. Fear of contaminating an ecosystem that evolved alone, fear of releasing something that had remained sealed since long before humans existed. Some questions were never asked out loud. If life survived there, what did it become? And more importantly, should it remain buried? As researchers continued their work across Antarctica, they installed sensitive instruments designed to detect signals from deep space. Their purpose was simple: capture cosmic particles passing through Earth. But the instruments recorded something unexpected. Powerful radio signals appeared to be coming not from the sky, but from beneath the ice itself. According to known laws of physics, these signals should not have been able to travel that way. They should have dissipated long before reaching the sensors. They did not. The data was reviewed repeatedly. The equipment was functioning properly. The readings were real. To this day, no definitive explanation exists. Some scientists suggested unknown particle behavior. Others quietly removed themselves from the discussion, because sometimes admitting that something does not fit our understanding is more unsettling than any theory. Hidden within ice cores extracted from Antarctica, scientists discovered microorganisms frozen in time, bacteria trapped for hundreds of thousands of years. They were presumed dead, until laboratory tests revealed something unexpected. Some of these organisms became active again. Living entities that existed before recorded history, before civilization, before humanity understood the concept of disease. This raised a troubling possibility. As Antarctic ice continues to melt, what else may be released? What if the ice is not just preserving history, but containing it? If mysteries like this fascinate you, staying with this journey matters, and subscribing ensures you don't miss what lies ahead. Beneath the frozen surface of Antarctica lie entire mountain ranges. This alone is not unusual. What unsettled researchers was the structure of some of these formations. Radar scans revealed patterns that appeared unusually symmetrical, aligned ridges repeating, angles, shapes that felt too precise. Official explanations attribute this to ancient geological processes and erosion over millions of years. Yet even some geologists quietly admit that not every detail aligns with known models. When a landmass has remained hidden for so long, it becomes easy to assume everything beneath it is natural. Until something doesn't look that way, fossils found across Antarctica reveal a past that feels almost impossible. Once, this frozen continent was warm, covered in forests, Rivers flowed where ice now dominates. Animals lived and thrived there. Something caused a transformation so extreme that it erased nearly all traces of life. The scale of that change still isn't fully understood, and the most uncomfortable question remains. Unanswered, if it happened once, could it happen again today? Antarctica appears silent, motionless, frozen in time. But beneath the ice, nothing is truly dormant. Signals rise from below the surface. Ancient life awakens in laboratories. Structures challenge what we believe about nature itself. Each expedition uncovers something new, and at the same time reminds us how unprepared we are to understand it all. Perhaps some secrets were buried for a reason. If you want to continue exploring the darkest mysteries of our planet, real discoveries that unsettle even the scientific world, subscribing to the channel is the best way to stay connected. Because there are still things beneath the ice, and they may not want to remain hidden forever.